Hello, everyone. This is Mike Salander, and you're joining me live for a BC App Store weekly update. So let's get right to it. Last week was really exciting. We pushed something live to the App Store to help third-party companies promote their products and services on the App Store. So the first person that's taking advantage of this new feature is Code Production with their new custom templates. On the homepage here, you can see that we've now updated our language about the discount code to show you that you actually now receive a Business Catalyst hosting plan discount code in addition to a code production template discount code. So this means if you buy a $20 app, you will receive $20 off upgrading your Business Catalyst plan, and you will receive $20 off a template at code production. If you'd like to see more details about the specific offer, you can click on the link, and this will take you to the page that has more information about it. Now, the maximum discount amount is $60 USD, but the amount of the code is going to depend on the app that you purchase. If you're interested in learning more about custom templates at Code Production, I recommend that you check out their website, browse their library of templates, and then also click on over to Why Custom Templates to learn how these templates are used and what the main selling points are. All right, so if you are interested in also offering a discount code on the BC App Store, you can head on over to our documents and then go over to Business Catalyst Community and then click on Offering Discount Codes to BC App Store Customers. And this document will outline the reasons why you can do it, who can do it, what you'll need to provide, and then the technical requirements for setting up the endpoint to communicate with our discount code API. All right, next up we have the Xero app, the integrating Xero accounting software with Business Catalyst. Shane from CBO, the creators of the app, are going to be on tomorrow's Sandpile. I'm so excited for this. You guys will be able to see firsthand what this app does, have a chance to ask questions to the creator of the app, and I would be on the lookout later this week for an email officially allowing you to go ahead and integrate Xero with Business Catalyst via an app on the App Store. So I'm really, really excited about that. I know it's a long time coming. The recurring app wave is among us. You're going to see more integrations coming out throughout the rest of the year. This is the first one, and really excited about that again. All right, next is, I mentioned this last week, but I want to mention it again, PageProofer. We're going to have an update coming very soon that just allows for integration with the website after it goes live with a help desk software called Help Scout, which is really, really great, especially for us. We run all of our ticketing off of Help Scout, so it's going to be very, very helpful. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is the updates that we've made to the Solid App Framework. And if you're wanting to get started with apps and you don't really know what to do, or the blank canvas intimidates you, this is a great place to start. And if you have purchased some of our Solid apps, you'll notice that they are mostly based off of this framework. So every time I've built an app or we've built an app, we just try to iterate and improve upon it and then update the framework so that all of you guys can benefit from some of the things that we learn and implement. All right, so in the help docs, you can click on Starting App Framework, and this will link you over to the GitHub repo where you can download the framework. So there's a couple exciting things that we've done here. One is that we've removed the dependencies, and on the BC SDK, backbone, and underscore, we added a new recursive get all items function to work with any BC Get API call. So this is really great. If you are wanting to quickly pull up an app that outputs all web app items or discount codes or gift vouchers or photo galleries or whatever it may be, you don't really have to worry about writing that code. We've really made it pretty out of the box and easy for you just by utilizing that function. If you want to get more details about exactly how we created that function and how to use it, we do have a pro tutorial on the BC Academy that you can look this up and follow through, and you can see the code. But of course, all this code is in the GitHub anyway. So the code is public, but the explanation is for our community. All right, so a good amount of updates made here, all in the name of removing dependencies, making this leaner, and then a little bit more plug and play for making some API calls. All right, next up, I want to give you a sneak on a new app that we are creating. I don't know exactly when it's going to be released. Usually the process that we go through here is that we identify a particular use case that a customer is having. In this case, it is the Brain Injury Association of America, who wants a glossary so that they can control a list of different terms, define them, and then automatically have like a tooltip appear over those words throughout the body copy so that people can learn what those words mean. So we'll have a use case, we'll implement it, we'll test it out for a client or two, and then test it out for a little bit wider of use cases, and then distribute it through the store. So right now we're in the internal phase of testing for our clients before releasing this, but I just want to show you this. I'm really excited about it, and it is using our updated Solid App Framework. Anyways, it's a pretty simple app. You go to the back end here underneath apps and click glossary, and then you can just look at all of your different glossary terms and description, and then you can update the description. So human is an awesome person, right? And then the nice thing is you can update them on many of these at a time, and then just click save, and then all of them are saved. We can add new terms if we like, new term, description, whatever it may be. We can remove ones out, and so really we can just fully control all of our terms here. And then on the front end, automatically, you'll see we've got this dotted underline here that shows the words that have definitions, and then it just says what the meaning is above it. Great. So right now it's really just about the definition of the terms. The style is kind of pre-formatted. I think it looks awesome. And of course you can go and customize the style, but we're probably going to look to making the styling of it a little bit more straightforward or plug and play for you guys when we actually update to the App Store, along with maybe looking at a couple other settings. But right now you can see really kind of simple, easy use case here. Where a client can easily update a glossary of terms and have that outputted across their website. All right, last thing I want to leave you with, guys, is that we have a new app coming in July that I'm not going to show you yet, but I can tell you that the clients that we've shown it to and the employees that have seen it have called it game-changing. It is, I'm so thrilled. It's the most exciting app that I think we've come out with to date, at least in my opinion. And it significantly changes and improves the editing and client kind of experience using Business Catalyst. So be on the lookout for that. That's coming in July. And later this week, I'll also announce another place that you'll see this app being released to the community as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let me know if there's any questions. And of course, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and comment and share with others. And I will see you guys again next week. Thanks.